Kid Next Door.
Hello, welcome back. So, thank you so much for appreciating this new technique and for all your lovely comments on the reverse silhouette technique. Here we are again with the second level for the reverse silhouette, and we'll be painting an underwater scene using the same technique. So, this time I'm using a kitchen sponge to make the background. So as you can see, I have chosen bright colors: yellow, light green, orange, light blue and red. So I'm just randomly dabbing small stamps on my canvas paper with acrylic colors that I'm using. Remember, I'm just dabbing, dab. I'm not smudging, blending, spreading as of now, but I'm trying to ensure that there are no white spaces left. So we'll be using one by one each color, and we'll give a more of blue into this because it's an underwater scene, and I'm just going on randomly one after another color, leaving no white gaps in between. As you can see here, after having a lot of blue on my sheet, I just felt some, the lack of some other color. So I'm again dabbing yellow, orange to make it a colorful background, but still the blue has got its own predominance in the entire background. So just keep doing till you feel satisfied with your background, and this is where I felt it was good enough for me. So you leave it for drying it out completely. Then I have drawn a black border this time for my scene, and here we are starting to place the objects in the underwater. So for this you may refer to our previous drawing tutorial, the step-by-step drawing tutorial on underwater scene. I have used parts from that tutorial to make this one, but my sheet is like half the size of my sheet which I used in the drawing tutorial, so I'll be able to just include few objects. If you have a bigger sheet, you may complete the drawing tutorial, the underwater scene, using my previous drawing tutorial, which you can see from the card popping up here in the video. So I have just drawn some underwater plants, and now I'm drawing a seashell and a starfish. So this is going to be the base of the entire scene, the base of the sea that we are drawing. And then we can start placing some organisms like fishes and all of them. So I'm using the black permanent marker. If you do not have like this, you can use any board marker or sketch pen, whatever you have. And then you just go drawing. If you want, you may first draw with a pencil and then outline it with the black marker, so as to avoid any discrepancies here or any errors that may come up while drawing the scene. So this is the angel fish. Next, I'm placing an octopus here. It's important to draw thicker objects because when we are going to cover the background black, they are anyways going to thin down. So you try to make more bulbous, thicker objects in this scene that will really help your reverse silhouette come out better. Over here I'm drawing another fish, and you see again I'm trying to cover as much space in the entire scene as much possible. So wherever I see there is any scope of adding anything, I'm just going on and adding fins or the object there. More the object, more colors can be seen in the reverse silhouette, so it's important to have as many objects as possible. Then you can always have some fine detailings within the main object to highlight its characteristics further. Water bubbles are very important in any underwater scene, so draw big water bubbles, because as I'm saying, every object needs to be thicker and bulbous in order to make it stand out in your reverse silhouette. Here this is a jellyfish. If you have more space, you can draw a shark, as I have drawn in my step-by-step drawing tutorial, or you may have a whale, you may have a seahorse. Seahorse would look really beautiful because of all the colors. You may have a spool of fishes. And then even then, if you have space like I have, I'm just covering it with water bubbles. I added here more grass because I felt there was a scope. Once you are done happy and you think you have covered the entire sheet, you can start coloring the background black. So you can do this thing using the marker like I'm doing, or you may paint the background black, whichever way you feel comfortable. So be careful not to leave any patches when you're coloring black, because then only the beauty of this technique can come out. And here it is. Look at that, it's so bright, so beautiful. You display it anywhere in your house and everybody is going to appreciate it. It's very easy and cute looking. Hope you enjoyed this new technique. Do let us know in the comments section how did it go for you. We'd love to see your work on our Facebook channel. So if you have not liked our page on Facebook, please do so, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.